Hey everyone, I am going to show you how to use the editor for dashboards inside of Acumatica. So you can see I have a beautiful dashboard laid out here, lots of color involved and lots of different options for charts and data fields. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at how I can edit, let's say this vendor list. So I'm going to first come up to the design up in the upper right hand corner. I'm going to click design, and you can see that now all of my widgets on the dashboard have these editing icons on them. So I choose the one that I want to edit. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this little pencil. I'm just going to wait for the widget properties to pop up, and now I can go ahead and make some edits. So first you can see the inquiry screen. I'm not going to change that, but this is actually where it's pulling data from. You can see, that's that inquiry screen. So you can see where you want to select, where you want to select your data from, and you have those options. You can scroll through and make those selections, but I'm not going to change that. You can look at the shared filters if you want to apply them. So again, if I open this up, you can see the different filters that are created here, or if you want to show all records, you could do that here as well. You can choose how to refresh your data, if you want that to be on whenever you reload the page, or if you want to set a time to that. Automatically adjusting the height for each of your rows as well. And then you have a record limit, which is how many are going to show in your table. So in this case, we have it set to 8. So 8 different rows are going to show in that vendor list. And then we can also change the title or the caption of that widget as well here. And if I want to stop editing, all I have to do is hit design again, and it all goes back to viewing mode.